Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you the stone setting process in this chain. So let's start the video. So this is called Mangalsutra here. As you can see, there are small green stones set here. So in this video I am going to show you how to set these stones. So the process is very simple. So let's begin now. So this is a round wire. So this is 29 gauge. So we'll need 29 gauge round wire. So this is the size of the wire. We can cut in this length and start soldering it. Now we'll start soldering it. So here it is. The stone setting process is complete. So I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.